Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Octavus Prime AI token. Ticker symbol is Octavus. So Octavus Prime is the name of the token, ticker symbol Octavus. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing in 1 day. So on May 3rd, this will be listed on a central exchange, open for trading. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Octavus, I keep wanting to say the transformer name, but Octavus Prime AI is the name of the token. Octavus is the ticker symbol, and this token will be listed 14 hours UTC time, May 3rd, on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Octavus, and then simply just buy the token. May 3rd, 14 hours UTC time, it will be available. Now, this is a BEP20 token. Their total supply of this token is 5 billion tokens. Right now, they have 971 holders. 18 decimal places on this token. Their official webpage, octavusprime.com, pretty straightforward. Their Twitter is at OctavusPrimeAI. Their Telegram here is at OctavusPrime. And on their webpage, you can find a full white paper as well, along with tokenomics, partners, info, all that type of stuff. Introducing Octavus Prime AI, a revolutionary artificial intelligence-driven blockchain solution. So, in the dawn of the digital era, AI has made remarkable strides revolutionizing industries and transforming the way we live, work, and communicate. From the inception of machine learning algorithms to the development of sophisticated AI models like ChatGPT, the AI landscape continues to expand and redefine the boundaries of human potential. As AI continues to evolve, the investment in AI-driven projects has become not only a strategic decision, but also a critical one in individuals, organizations, and governments worldwide. According to a recent market research report, the global AI market is expected to reach over $300 billion by 2026, reflecting the immense potential and growing interest in this field. In this ever-growing landscape, Octavus Prime emerges as a game-changing solution that combines the power of AI and blockchain technology to create innovative products that foster global community development. Our mission is to leverage these cutting-edge technologies to address pressing challenges and contribute to the betterment of society as a whole. Octavus Prime aims to bring the benefits of AI and blockchain technology to the masses, creating new opportunities for investment, growth, and social impact. By harnessing the advanced capabilities of AI models like ChatGPT, we strive to develop intelligent and efficient solutions tailored to the unique needs of the diverse communities around the world. As a pioneering fusion in AI and blockchain, Octavus Prime represents the new frontier in technical innovation. So within the ecosystem, they have the Octavus AI chatbot. It is your dedicated AI-powered crypto companion on Telegram. Seamlessly engage with investors answer queries, and foster meaningful conversations, all while staying up to date with the dynamic world of cryptocurrency. Let Octavus evaluate your crypto experience, providing real-time support and insights to help you make informed decisions. Welcome to the future of crypto communication. And then the second utility here is the Octavus AI image generator, the cutting-edge AI image generator that brings your visions to life. Harnessing the power of advanced artificial intelligence, our generator crafts stunning high-quality visuals based on your unique ideas and preferences. Unleash your creativity and transform your concepts into captivating images with Octavus Image, the ultimate tool for artists, designers, visionaries alike. Tokenomics are on here. We pretty much went over all the tokenomics already. If you were going to buy or sell this token from PancakeSwap, there is an 8% sell tax. So just be aware of that. You're going to have to set slippage and all that type of stuff. It is easier to get it off a central exchange like Mexc Global. And like I said, it gets listed May 3rd. Token allocation is 12% goes to private sale, 8% public IDO, 15% marketing, 10% staking, 10% team, 10% liquidity pool, 15% central exchanges, 10% development, 10% burn. Now they have, their socials are on their white paper here. On their webpage, all sorts of links to join communities. So their Telegram at Octavus Prime has 3,199 members. 163 of them are online, so they're doing pretty well on their Telegram. Now their Twitter at Octavus Prime AI, 7,364 followers, and they literally just joined in April 2023, so not even a month old. Already over 7,000 Twitter followers and 29 tweets, so fairly active. They just put their roadmap as their pinned tweet here. So their roadmap starts like this. CoinMarketCap listing, CoinGecko listing, reducing total supply, so they're going to have a burn, AI chatbot V1 release, AI chatbot community use and rewards, alpha release for AI prediction bot, announce new central exchange listing, AI chatbot for Octavus Telegram, AI prediction bot for Telegram group mutual partnerships, Octavus AI discussion bot upgrade to V1.5, bot paid features and upgrade, AI image generation beta test of V0.1, Chinese marketing and community growth, and then introducing the Octavus Prime staking. So that's their new roadmap there that just came out on their Twitter. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Octavus? Do you think this is a good investment or not? They're also releasing May 2nd here, which is today. The HAHA, ticker symbol is HAHA, H-A-H-A. Full name is Hisaki Inu. I did a video on this token before it was even mentioned that this token was going to be on Mexc Global. So check out that video I just did on Hisaki Inu that's listed today. That token is a dog meme token that would be listed on Mexc Global May 2nd. Check out the Mexc Global referral code if you don't have an account. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, and leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.